We got the call.
It can't be installed.
Wait, what? Can be done? Challenge accepted. The design was inspired by traditional Korean architecture, those beautiful curved eaves you see in Hanok houses. The problem? The curved corners couldn't be built on site. In Korea, construction often starts before the design details are fully finished. They build what they can and figure out the tricky parts later. But for complex designs like this, that approach just doesn't work. So what did we do? We went digital. Precision 3D scanning, detailed design engineering, lightweight structural frame. So here's how we tackled the impossible. We used Rhino and Grasshopper to automate the modeling and fabrication drawings. Basically, we let the computer do the heavy lifting. We built full-scale, fabrication-ready 3D models and double-checked everything by comparing it to the 3D scans from the actual site. That's how we caught problems early, before they could turn into expensive mistakes. One of the things we're really good at, structural optimization. Since the budget was super tight, we designed a lightweight frame that could be reinforced easily on site. And for the beautiful curved aluminum panels, we created custom molds for each panel, heated them up, pressed them into shape and let them cool. We even scanned each panel before shipping to make sure the curves were perfect and the joints lined up just right. Once the curves were just right, we attached the frame to the back and boom, precision made, ready to install. Construction went smoothly thanks to the digital design. We did have to remove a few old panels to get the perfect fit. But the final result, worth it. Could this have been done without digital design? Sure, if you had endless time and money. But we believe in working smarter, not harder. Need help with your next complex project? Work with Metal Morph. Let's build something amazing together.